Hi, and welcome to this video on managing Akuvox Intercom devices remotely in a single family house project on the SmartPlus Cloud for installers. In this guide, we will walk you through how to view, modify, reboot, reset, and remotely provision devices, all without being on-site. Log into the cloud with your installer account. Select Single Family Sites on the dashboard. Then click Intercom Devices to view all devices across all single-family projects. In this section, you can quickly delete devices if necessary. However, detailed configuration and modification are not available here. If you need to manage devices under a specific homeowner, click the device icon of that user to enter the device management page. On this page, you'll see all devices linked to the selected user. Click the edit icon to change the device's settings. Click the info icon to view the device's information, including its firmware version and hardware version. On the device settings page, click Remote Control. Before using this function, please make sure the device is currently online on SmartPlus Cloud, and the device firmware version supports remote control. If supported, this will redirect you to the device's web interface remotely, allowing deeper configuration. The default login username and password are admin. On the device's web interface, you can configure more settings, such as input and web relay. Under Settings, you will see the connection type option. It defines how the device communicates with the server. You normally do not need to change it unless required by the project's network environment or security policy. On this page, you can also click Reboot to restart the device remotely. If necessary, you may click Reset to restore factory settings. Please note that resetting the device will erase user data and configuration. It is suggested to back up the current configuration from the device's web interface before performing a reset, especially in live projects. Reset should only be used when troubleshooting or redeploying the device. In addition to manual configuration, you can perform a one-time AutoP directly on the device. AutoP is a remote provisioning feature that allows you to send configuration commands from the cloud directly to the device. To view the list of supported AutoP commands, please refer to the AutoP command reference document in the knowledge base. For example, here we enter a command to set the device's microphone volume to 5. The maximum value is 15. After submitting the setting, wait for the AutoP process to complete and then verify the result on the device side. If you need to apply the same configuration to multiple devices, you can use Batch AutoP. Return to the Intercom devices list. Click AutoP on the right side. Select Regular AutoP or One-Time AutoP. The latter will not be retained once you reset the device. Enter the AutoP commands, making sure to separate each command with a new line. Next, select the target device or devices and submit the settings. Thanks for watching.